Alright, continuing the substructure here, as you can see. Alright. Again, a close-up of it. I mean, that's as close as I can get. Can you see the colors? Can you see the art? Do you see it? Is the question. Alright. Yeah, I know that's just the colors there, right? Huh. There looks like there's a face there, like a magician or something. I wonder where that is. Let's see. And we have it. Oh shit. You know what? Check out log 3 on my uploads. And you have an odd little circle. And if you notice, that odd little circle where it looks like the magician's right there. Looks like it's running this way as a blood vein. Looks like there's gears. Gears upon gears upon gears. Flesh to stone. 2/3 God. Grey goo. Epic of Gilgamesh. 1/3 human. I mean, look at that. That's where the blood vessel popped as the book hit the ground. And all the grey goo came out and covered it. I mean, I have documentation. You can see the pictures beforehand. But as you can see, this is the top side of what got covered, which did not hit the ground of the desert there. Now, the bottom side